There's lots of different settings that you can customize in your EzyCourse platform. Now, I'm going to give you an overview of what those are in this video, but do watch out for more detailed courses about how to use the settings on your EzyCourse platform. Now, we'll first go into site settings. And there are a variety of tabs along the top. You can change the details of your site, your URL for your site. You can set up a custom domain too. You can also change where the emails from your site appear to come from, the logos, the branding, even plug in your Google Analytics. Now you can also control under authorization settings whether new signups are enabled, whether people need to verify their email address, or whether they even require manual approval to join your site. There's things like two-factor authentication, and you can also have checkbox text that people have to tick to confirm they've read, either at sign up or at checkout as well. You can plug in various different payment processors into your EzyCourse site. You can even have manual payment methods. And under connections, you connect your calendar, your Google Calendar. So that's useful for appointment booking so that appointments are available for when your calendar has space. The notifications tab is for the notifications for the custom app if you've got one of those. You can also change how cookies appear on your site. And under invoice settings, you can really customize how your invoices look. So you can add your address and any tax information, and you can also customize that in various different languages too. On the checkout, you can choose a variety of things as to whether to take the customer's address at the checkout or not. And then under transactional email settings, this is where you can customize the emails that get sent out by the system for various different activities. You've also got system email settings as well that allows you to turn off different notifications from the site. You can also white label your emails so that they come from your brand using the white label transactional email settings. And under student dashboard settings, you can customize what appears for the students when they log in. So you can choose to hide or show different items on the menu. You can even reorder them using this screen here as well. And then under login sessions, you've got a variety of options and information here to see who's logged into the site, and you can also log people out as well. So lots of different ways that you can customize your site using site settings. And as I say, do look out for other courses that cover this in a lot more detail.